Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your printer is not printing in color on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to make sure color ink cartridge is full on your printer. Also make sure printing preference is set to color. So for example, if you are printing from Word, then go to File, then click on Print. Now over here you will see your printer. Now click on Printer Properties and then go to Main, and over here you can see grayscale printing. So if this is checked, uncheck this and then click on OK and then try to make a printout. Now if you are trying to print from browser, then make a right click and then click on Print, and over here make sure color is selected over here. Now try to make a printout. Now the next step is to run Printer Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now click on System, then click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Printer. Now click on Run. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, now restart your computer and then make a printout. Now the next step is to make sure that you select the right printer over here and then click on Next and let the troubleshoot complete, and then restart your computer and then make a printout. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, open Control Panel. So type in Control Panel in Windows search box and then click on Control Panel. Now by default category would be selected, so select Small Icons and then click on Devices and Printers. Now over here you will find your printer. Make a right click on Printer and then click on Remove Device. Click on Yes. Now once your printer is gone, now click on Add a Printer on the top. Click on it and then click on the option which says the printer that I want isn't listed. So do not select a printer over here. Click on the option which says the printer that I want isn't listed over here. Click on it. Now by default my printer is little older. Help me find it. By default this would be checked, so make sure this is checked, then click on Next. Now you will see a printer over here. Select it and then click on Next. Next. And now over here you will see the option which says replace the current driver. Put a check over here and then click on Next. Next. And let the installation complete. Now you can click on Finish and then make a printout. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the printer driver. To uninstall the printer driver, first of all go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Go to Apps, then click on Apps and Features. Now over here you will find your printer drivers. So select your printer. So over here you can see this is my printer. So click on it, then click on Uninstall. So uninstall all your printer driver. So uninstall it. Now after you uninstall, now go to Device Manager. So make a right click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. Now over here you will find your printer. So click on Print Queues over here. Now over here you can see your printer. Make a right click, then click on Uninstall Device and then click on Uninstall. Now once this is done, once the uninstall is done from the Device Manager, now open Control Panel once again. So type in Control in Windows search box and then click on Control Panel. Again click on Devices and Printers and then make a right click on the printer and then click on Remove Device. And once you click on Yes, once this is removed, now open Command Prompt. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on Command Prompt app, then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow and then copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So all the steps and commands are provided in the video description. So copy it, paste it over here, hit the Enter key. Now go to Drivers tab and then select your printer. Select your printer and then click on remove, click on, you can click on remove driver and driver packages and then click on OK. Now once that is done, close this. Now once you uninstall it from apps and features, then once you remove it from devices and printers, and once you run this command and delete the driver, now restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. So once you follow all the process, restart your computer, and after the system restart, go to your printer manufacturer website. So if you have HP printer, go to HP website. If you have Canon printer, go to Canon website. If you have Epson printer, go to Epson website. Now I have Canon printer, so I'm going to Canon website. So if you have Epson, go to Epson. If you have HP printer, go to HP website. Now once you go to your system printer manufacturer website, now select your printer. So make sure that you select your model number. So this is my model number. So select your model number, click on search. Now once you select your model number, select the right operating system. In my case, it's Windows 11. Select your operating system, then click on the driver. Now download it. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file, install the driver. Now after the installation, set up your printer once again and then try to make a printout. So one of the steps should help you to get your printer working and it should print in color. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.